Welcome to Fundations, Week 4, Day 4, where we're going to be learning the letters C and O. Let's get started with some drill sounds. I'm going to say the letter keyword sound and you're going to echo it. Here we go. T, top, T. B, bat, B. F, fun, F. M, man, M. N, nut, N. I, itch, I. U, up, C, cat, K. O, octopus, aw. Great job. Now let's do the small standard sound cards. Here we go. Let's do consonants first. Here we go. We're going to do the yellow ones first. And we're going to do echo again. We'll say it and then you say it after me. When my hand is like this, I say it. And when my hand's like that, you say it. Here we go. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. F, fun, F. M, man, M. N, nut, N. T, top, T. Now let's do the vowels, the special ones, the ones that are in salmon here. I, itch, I. O, octopus, aw. U, up, Awesome. Now let's do the vowel extensions. We're going to do I, O, and U. I, itch. I, itch. One more time. I, itch. O, octopus. O, octopus. O, octopus. Okay, now for the letter U. U, up. U, up. U, up. Great job. Okay, boys and girls, now it's time to create a sentence. And each one of these boxes are for each word that is in my sentence. I am going to say, Jamel is a boy. So, Jamel is a boy. So, my first word is going to be Jamel. And Jamel, this part is a little higher because every sentence starts with an uppercase letter, a big letter. If it starts, since Jamel starts with a J, we're going to have the big J for Jamel. So J, A-D-M-E-L, Jamel. Jamel is a boy. Now, every sentence needs to end with a punctuation. And in this one, because I'm saying something, it is a period. So, Jamel is a boy. Now I want to change that, and I want to write Nathaniel. You see, I'm doing the birthday boys. Nathaniel is a boy. So I just had to erase Jamel because I already had is a boy, and now I'm going to type in Nathaniel. Nathaniel is a boy. Now let's change it. Adrian, another birthday boy. I'm doing the October birthday boys. Adrian is a boy. Can you read it for me? Adrian is a boy. Now notice I have spaces in between each one of these boxes because words need spaces in between them. All right, so let's change now. I'm going to make a girl. I'm going to say Amy, but I'm going to change this and I'm going to change it to girl. So I'm going to say Amy is a girl. Go. And let's put Kaylani is a girl. Great job. If I didn't get your name today, don't worry. I'll get your name another time, I promise. Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to do syllables. And syllables are the parts of a word. It's how many times your chin goes down when you say a word. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand on your chin, and when we're going to say a word, and you're going to see how many times your chin goes down when we say that word. So let me go first. It's baseball. You try it. Baseball. How many times does your chin go down when you say baseball? That's right. It's 2. Ball. So in here it would be base, and over here would be ball. Baseball. Baseball has 2 syllables. Baseball. Very good. Now let's try, my turn, basketball. You try it. How many syllables is that? How many times? Basketball. Say it's 3. Basketball. So it's basketball. 3 syllables. Basketball. 1 word, 3 syllables. Okay, let's try another one. Book. Book. How many times did your chin go down when you said book? That's right, 1. Book has 1 syllable. Book. Good. Okay, jelly. My turn. Jelly. Your turn. How many times did your chin go down when you said jelly? That's right, 2. Let me get that closer because it's 1 word. Oops, sorry. Jelly. Jelly is 1 word with 2 syllables. 2 parts. Jelly. All right. Dog. Dog. How many times did your chin go down? How many syllables is in the word dog? That's right. It's 1. Go. Dog. Dog has 1 syllable. Let's try another one. Oh, my turn. Gingerbread. Gingerbread. How many syllables is that? How many times did your chin go down? Gingerbread. That's right, it's 3. Gingerbread. Again. Gingerbread. 3 syllables. Great job with syllables, boys and girls. Boys and girls, now it's time to practice. First, let's practice the lowercase c. And let's move it over here so you can see the plane line. All right, when you do the lowercase c, you start on the plane line. You fly back on the plane line, go around down to the grass line. C, cat, k. Great job. Try it 1 more time. You start on the plane line, fly backwards, and go down and around to the grass line. C, cat, k. Boys and girls, I would love to see a picture of this, so send me a picture. Make me the happiest teacher in the world. All right, so now let's practice writing the letter O, the very special vowel. Move it over so you can see the plane. You start on the plane line because it's a plane line letter. You fly back down to the grass line and around back up to the plane line. O, octopus, aw. Great job. I'll show you 1 more time. Let's go on the plane line, fly back, down and around to the grass line and back up to the plane line. O, octopus, aw. Take a picture of it and send it to Mrs. Tillman. Here we go. All right, so now we're going to play a little game. You need your writing board, you need your marker. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a sound, you're going to repeat the sound, and then you're going to write the letter that makes that sound on your board. Okay, here we go. It's a plain line letter. The key word is man. The letter is N. Start on the plain line, go down to the grass line, go back up to the plain line, give a hump, trace back up to the plain line, do another hump to the grass line. M, man, Great. Now let's do K. Plain line letter. Cat's the key word. You just learned it this week. The letter is C. You fly back on the plain line, round to the grass line. C, cat, K. How about F? It's a skyline letter. The key word is fun. The letter is F. You start on the skyline, you go back down to the grass line and cross at the plain line. F, fun. Okay. It's a skyline letter. The key word is top, and the letter is T. Start on the skyline, go down to the grass line, cross at the plain line. T, top, T. Okay, next one. It's a vowel. It's a plain line letter. We learned it this week. No, we didn't. We learned it last week. I'm sorry. The key word is up. The letter is U. You start on the plain line. You go down to the grass line. You round up to the plain line. And straight down to the grass line. U, up, All right, let's do aw. Aw. It's a plain line round letter. The key word is octopus. The letter is the letter is O, excuse me. You fly back down around to the grass line and go back up to the plain line. O, octopus, aw. Awesome job. Now let's do one more. Let's do B. B. It's a skyline letter. The key word is bat. The letter is B. You go straight down to the grass line, trace back up to the plain line, and give B. I want to blow the grass line. Sorry. Give B a belly. B. Bat. B. All right, boys and girls, awesome job. And today we went over the letters C and O. Great job today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.